Today we are making a crispy börek filled with whatever you fancy. In the Turkish cuisine, we have lots of different kinds of boreks, which we'll be showing you in this channel eventually, but I really wanted to start with my favorite because it's so crunchy and yummy and delicious. I guess you know what I mean. You'll need 3 Filo Pastry sheets, also known as yufka. Mine are fresh from the bazaar. And about 200 milliliters heavy cream. Now in my filling, I had roasted onions that I'll season quite a bit, boiled potatoes, mushrooms and cheese. For the crust, you'll need 1 egg and a small plate with breadcrumbs. Mind you, you don't have to make the same filling as I have here, and of course I made mine way too much for just this börek. First of all, you have to prepare your filling. Here I'm mashing my potatoes to smaller pieces. Instead of my filling here, you can use just any kind of cheese, or just potatoes, or minced meat, or chicken. Speaking of chicken, my favorite version of this is filled with onions, chicken, and mushrooms. Just find your personal favorite. For the size of my yufka, I just need 1/3 of this filling. So 2 potatoes, 4 mushrooms, 1 onion, and a bit of cheese would have been enough here. But always make sure you season it well. Now spread your Filo Pastry sheets onto each other. We want to have them on top of each other and spread the 200 milliliters heavy cream with a spoon so that it is evenly distributed. Now the fun part. Cut the pastry into 16 pieces. I just cut it always in half until I get it the way I want it. If your pastry isn't round, you will want to cut them in triangles and get out as many as you have. It doesn't have to be 16. Then it is time for the filling. Put a bit of it, maybe 2 teaspoons, at the end of your pastry pieces and whisk your egg. Now it's time to roll them up. I fold them from the sides a bit to keep the filling inside. Then you dunk them in the whisked egg from all sides and roll them in the breadcrumbs. Put them onto a tray with a baking sheet and you can send them to the oven. As you can see here, I'm not using lots of the filling, so guess what we'll be making with the remaining filling? Write your guess in the comments below. Bake these yummy suckers at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. I always check on them. When they have a crunchy brown color, you can get them out of the oven. I know there are 16 in total and that sounds like much, but let me tell you, it is so delicious that we almost ate them up within the hour. We had to restrain ourselves so that there were any left for my husband when he came back from work. We'd love to see how you make your crispy börek, so please either tag us on Twitter or send us an email with your photo. As usual, you can find the detailed recipe in the description below. If you enjoy these kind of recipes, you should check out our other videos as well. A like is always appreciated and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of our weekly videos. Thank you for watching.